Hi guys, let's get started with the QPunch tool. QPunch is a project management tool, and as you can see, this is the basic URL to launch the QPunch. On this page, we have provided the product demos and the tutorials to provide you the guidance over the details section. As we enter the credentials, here we go for the QPunch tool. Now let's log in into the QPunch tool. Once we log in into the QPunch tool, we'll be landed over the project space. So these are the different types of projects where I have been involved into and have been created. Once I click in any one of the project, I'll be landed over the project dashboard. Project dashboard provides the monthly data and the charts including the project's progress reports. Now let's go on to the project dashboard. So this is a QPunch dev project. This is the project dashboard. So this is the overall status of the project, including the monthly data and the charts. Also, we have provided the burn down chart, the velocity chart, which includes the ideal burn hours and the actual burn hours. It depicts how well your team is performing and what is the progress of your project. Now let's go on to the punch page. In the punch page, we can add punches, we can add tasks, we can schedule events, and we can assign the task accordingly to the different project members. We can categorize the task, and also we can add the dependent task which is already dependent on this particular task, and we can schedule the task adding the actual and the ideal man hours. You can put the comment which will be routed over the discussion panel, and you can add the checklist of the task over here like this, or you can just add the one-liner data. Now once we save the task, it will be automatically assigned to the user, and as per the progress of the task, this task will be traveling from different swim lanes from a new, assigned, progress and resolved close. So this is a basic Kanban chart for the agile projects. Now let's go on to the calendar view. So calendar view is a resource management tool, you can see. Over here you can see the list of the resources and their slots booked on the week by week basis. Over here you can see the task he's working on to and the future task he's already assigned with. Now let's move on to the dynamic reports, which is a special feature of the QPunch. So dynamic reports is a section where you can see the resource management done very well. So that section is very important for project managers and the team leads. This is a team utilization link which is completely dedicated for the resource management thing. Once I click on the team utilization, we'll be landed over the details section of the team members. So here you can see the resource name, his number of tasks he's working on, and his current workload and the forecast. Forecast is nothing but the future slot where the user will be free and the project manager will be available to assign him further task. You can see the workload distribution and the overall effort of all the users in terms of his planned and the actual hours. So this is the current workload and this is the forecast, and here you can see the dates reflecting when the resource will be available and the resource utilization percentage. Now let's go on to the overview. Overview will again route back to the project dashboard. There we can see the burn down chart. Burn down chart is a velocity chart which is calculated on terms of actual hours and the planned hours of the team. Also, so this is the burn down chart. Also, we have provided the audit log section. So from here, the activity of the user can be captured, and we have the user permission section. Here, the user can invite new team members and he can assign the roles and he can restrict the task or the events what he can create and what he can do on this project. From here, you can log out.